Let's turn the shot clock on, Ian. Get to it. The next MLB manager to get fired. Brian Price was number 1. Ian, who do we got for number 2?
I'm going to keep the local scene intact here. Of course, I'm up here in Canada. We're going to stay local with the Toronto Blue Jays and say I think John Gibbons, who's affectionately known as Gibby around these parts, could be the next manager. Gone. I mean, all right, they had a series avoiding sweep at Detroit that snapped a 5-game losing streak. But still, this is a team in Toronto here that is 10-21 in their last 31 games since the beginning of May. They've been on a downward spiral. The starting pitching was viewed as the strength of this ball club coming into the season. It's been a massive problem. The team's ranked 24th in team ERA. They've had Josh Donaldson in a contract year in and out of the DL. Marcus Stroman now on the DL has struggled. Aaron Sanchez has been disappointing prior to finally putting a good start on the board yesterday. You've had domestic violence allegations against closer Roberto Osuna that have taken him away from this team and left a huge void for the Blue Jays and their very depleted bullpen to have to fill. There's some issues right now with Toronto, and let's keep in mind, Gibbons was not a hire by this current management team of Ross Atkins and Mark Shapiro. This was an inherited manager from the Alex Anthopoulos days. I think Toronto might take a chance to try to get one of their own guys in there, Atkins and Shapiro. So I'll say Gibbons. Rick Renneria, honorable mention, Chicago White Sox. He's going to be out of there, I think, as well.
Ian, you're taking lessons from Paulie on the shot clock, man. That clock is ticking. 30 seconds. Let's go. My choice, Buck Showalter. He's the obvious choice to be the next manager fired because he's managing the worst team in baseball right now. No team's underachieving. I mean, not that Baltimore was expected to be good, but I think the Orioles' brain trust thought they were going to be better than they are. They've given Showalter a lot of leeway, and I don't blame Showalter for what's going on in Baltimore. He inherited a bad roster, and he's managed it fairly well. But when you're in a position where you're playing 300 baseball, you're not going to last much longer. Buck Showalter's my call to be the next manager to get canned in MLB. Like the show? Help us keep the lights on. Please make sure to comment, share, and subscribe to all the Sportsbook Review videos. Thanks so much. Best of luck. Enjoy the game.